All right, y'all. Dirt Fishman here. Me and my boy will open up some cars for y'all. We want to say our hays to y'all first. You went to say bye, didn't you? All right, y'all. Let's turn this thing around and open up some cars.
Hey, when did you get started?
Huh, baby?
When did you get started on
There we go, but it's hot in here. All right, y'all. Up first is going to be the Mustang NHRA funny car. I forgot to put the AC on it.
Why?
Check that out, y'all.
Did you turn the AC on? Is the AC on now?
All right, y'all. I got this one for my boy right here. This is the 57 Jeep.
Yeah, that's the one that I chose, Dad. I chose that one to bring home, Dad.
Mm-hmm. That's why I got it for, 'cause I know you like them. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Monster High Goldmobile.
What kind of car is that?
I had no idea, baby. It's a fantasy car.
Is
I just thought it looked pretty cool when I got it.
That's
See, look, it's a vampire car. It's got vampire teeth in front.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 92 Viper RT10. Open up. Get up here. Get up here where you play with that. Do this. All right, y'all. Well, that's on there. Y'all open up the classic 55 Nomad.
Hey, Daddy. Why do you have, like, it's a Hot Wheels. And this happened.
You got it.
And then that happened. Those are Hot Wheels that didn't rip a hole.
Yeah.
Didn't rip a hole for me. So I had to open it.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in the Falcon delivery. Here you go, baby. Open her up.
Oh, glad.
Yes, it did. Check that Mustang out. Okay, y'all. Up next is going to be the Lane Lowrider. Here you go, baby.
Yeah, Owen has that Mustang.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this is a low rider.
Yeah, it is a lowrider.
Yeah, it's a low rider on the back.
Check that one out, y'all. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 82 Toyota Supra.
It looks like a DeLorean.
It kind of does, don't it?
Yeah, because it's there.
There you go, y'all. And up next is going to be the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger.
And the purple too, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Yep, and plum purple.
And plum purple. Why is it in plum purple?
That's one of Dodge's wild colors, baby.
Why?
That's why they were back in the 60s and 70s.
Why?
I have no idea. Because it made it unique and people wanted them. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock.
Yeah, is this one or one again?
Mm-hmm. Yep, sure is.
Yeah, Dad, it was that white truck next. It was that white truck next.
Okay, baby.
Those two ones.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 20 Toyota Tacoma.
Yeah, and the blue rims too.
Yep, got blue rims. All right. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Lamborghini Revendon. It says 60th anniversary car. All right, y'all. That's going to be it for this little video right here. So I'm going to turn the camera around and say our goodbyes.
Bye.
All right, y'all.
Bye.
Bye. What else did we say?
Bye.
What else did we say? What else did we say? Come on, say it.
Peace out.
Peace out, y'all. Dirt Fisherman out.